Hey guys, you seem to really like our last hoodie knots video, and so we thought we'd do a part 2. And since all of these videos seem to have a different hoodie for every knot, thought I had to do the same thing. So a lot of these knots didn't have names when I was starting out, so I'm going to be making them as I go along. Feel free to put it in the comments if you know what this is called. I'm calling this first one the Bumblebee. Alright, so we've got our first one here, so we know what it's supposed to look like. It's got a really nice twisted pattern. It's kind of hidden in this darker cord. So to replicate this knot, we're going to start by making a loop off to the right side with the end going over the top. Then we're going to make a fold down here and bring the fold up through the loop and then cinch it down. Then we're going to bring this cord up through the bottom, and then our bottom loop we're going to twist downward like this. There, you can see it. And then take your end and put it down through. Cinch that one around that loop. Right now we've got like a figure 8, but now we pull both wings, and there's our Bumblebee. This next one I'm calling the donut. So this one's pretty cool. I like the symmetrical look of it. It does use long hoodie strings though, so if you have short strings, this might not work. So to do this one, get plenty of cord in your fingers and leave a couple inches at the top. And then pinch the cord with your left hand and then wrap the cord around 8 times. There we go. And then before letting go of this cord, you want to put it through that little loop down at the bottom. Cinch it up tight so that it turns it into a circle. And then to finish it off, we just want to bring this cord around the front and down through the middle. Ooh. There's our donut. Alright, this next one is basically a chain stitch for crocheting, and so I'll call it the chain. Alright, so this one isn't very hard. Basically just using a concept that we already did in this video. So you want to make a loop by just taking the cord and twisting it, and then we're going to bring another loop down through the middle. And you don't want it to twist, especially if you have a flat cord like I do. Cinch that down. Take your cord, fold another loop through, and just keep repeating that until you get to the bottom, or run out of cord. And there's our chain stitch. So this next one is a lot like the 3-strand braid that we did in the first part of this video. It is a fishtail. So to make this, we're just going to take a big loop, like we've done before, and then bring our end up through the middle and over to the right side. And then we're going to bring it around back and up through the middle again and over to the left side. We'll just keep on going back and forth until we run out of cord. When we do, we just cinch this top cord down. And there's our fishtail. And I ran out of hoodies, so I'm using a pair of sweatpants. How many hoodies do these guys have? This one I'm calling the double bow. So for this one, we just want to wrap it around our fingers a couple times. So put your fingers on the top and wrap it once around. And on the second time around, you want to go between your fingers coming back to the front. And then between your fingers Going around the back again. Wrap around to the right. Make sure you get that original cord in there. I always leave that part out. And then to finish it off, just tuck the end under that wraparound. And then pull it off your fingers. You might have to cinch that middle knot down a little bit. Oops. And there's our bow. So there is 5 more hoodie knots for your sweatshirts and sweatpants, apparently. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was fun for me to make. Before I close out this video, I want to introduce a new product in our store, and that is these cord ends. They work great for shoelaces or hoodie strings. They just finish it off really nicely. I'll put a link to that in the description. So let me know which one of these was your favorite, and if you want us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.